busy today. It's a good sign.
Back right bit it rocks.
Antique booth update today. Back road bidder. Frugal peanut. Little mini peanut. Say something funny.
We're matching.
Yeah, look at this. They wear matching outfits.
I've become that person.
You've been that person a long time, Marks. Do we have a stroller for you? Where's your stroller? All right, let's get to work.
You gotta stay in here. Oh, sorry.
That was mean.
Face.
I think I got that on film too.
Oh, I'm sorry.
'Tis the season. Let that be a lesson to you. Never bend over in front of a clown with a camera. All right, up here on the right are our booths. We have 4 side-by-side booths in this shop. Looks like there's some spaces here, which is a good thing. We always fill it up pretty tight, so it's nice to see some things missing. And hello, got something extra here. This guy's kind of cool, but we didn't buy him. Huh. I kind of like him, but we'll put him back exactly where he came from, which is probably right there. So now I'm suspicious of everything. I don't know if that's ours or if that's ours. I don't know. Now I gotta question everything. I reckon the rest of it's ours. Wait, what's this? This is suspicious. No, that's ours too. Okay, I'm cool now. I think, maybe, I don't know. I'm just gonna let Marcy start working on this, and I'm gonna go get the other tote. If I don't get distracted by cool merchandise. Alright, back outside. There's the Dadillac. Tote number 2 looks a lot like the first one. More Christmas. Got this walking stick in case some traveler forgets theirs. Hello. You?
Oh, I thank you. I was going to hold it for you. And I will this time.
Ah, thanks.
There you go.
Fair enough. So I'm coming back in with the second tote. And what to my surprise, come around the corner and there's Marcy putting the hard sell. Which is kind of cool though. He wanted to look at something, so she's explaining it to him, showing it. So now I have to pretend to be working on something else. Just kind of looking around here. I can move this from here to here. Come on, close the deal, Mars. You can do it. Good. So she did close the deal. It was a nice little $8 sale. So that was kind of nice. And maybe he'll be back. So here at first, kind of what we have to do is find things that are stale, get them out of there. Unfortunately, some things just don't sell. So we pack them up and take them home. Maybe try them on eBay, maybe just redonate them. contemplating taking these football games out of here that nobody seems to be grabbing because I don't want to ship them, but they aren't moving. Friday afternoon we were here. Not super busy, but we get a few people through. You never know what kind of people are going to come by. Oh, our Leinenkugel's tapper. I'm surprised that didn't sell. So sometimes you're stocking the shelves and you got to make room for customers coming through because you don't want to rush them. This nice lady was checking out our stuff, and then, oh, look at that, Geno came by. Hey, Geno, good to see you, buddy. That was such a nice surprise to have Geno stop by. He didn't buy anything, but at least he was looking. Geno's a great friend. He's also got a fantastic channel that you should probably check out if you haven't. If you like my channel, you'll love his. He's very good at it. But gosh, he came up on a Friday afternoon all the way from Florida. What a guy. Well, I guess I watched Marcy work long enough. I can stop standing around and I can help her out a little. Let's see. The key is to find the perfect spot for everything. Just like that. Look at that. Too bad Geno already had a cane. He probably could have used that one. There's a husband trainer. Perfect. And let's see. Vintage hair dryer. I had a heck of a time finding a spot for this. Can't put it up by Chucky because, you know, his hair's a mess. They'll think it doesn't work. Alright. Perfect. Love it. See, this is called merchandising. Rearranging. Some people might think this is kind of a chaotic booth, but we think our customers kind of like to dig around. They like that garage sale feel, which they definitely get in this store. More. Of course, sometimes you gotta play with this stuff a little bit to make sure this toy airplane works. There. Perfect. Okay. More stuff. Tested all these, the games work. And I keep finding these wagons, but they turn over really well over at Frank's. And perfect. Merchandising. Perfect. Alright. Funny. See, this just looks better up there. Wrestling stuff. Yeah. Look how good I am at this. So having booths means sometimes you gotta provide your own supplies, including pegboard hooks. But that's alright, I find them cheap at auctions all the time. Helps us hang different things in the background or whatever.
Hey Chuck, how are you?
I'm good, how are you, Vicky? She scared the crap out of me. No, not yet. We'll be right back. You okay? You're okay. We decided not to try to ship this girl because of those fragile wings. She can fly. Are we done?
I think so, unless there's anything else that
No.
we can. She needs a backpack. My mom thought of that carrying thing before.
I'm sure she did. There's a bathroom on the right. Jeez, what a grouch. Oh, I just hit something with my ass.